Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So, let's talk about Asahi, Japan's biggest brewer. They got hit by a monster cyber attack. And just like that, 30 of their factories went dark. Production completely stopped. The financial hit from all this? A staggering 15 billion yen. Ouch. The culprit? Ransomware. You know, that nasty stuff that locks up your files and demands cash. And the group behind it was the infamous Kulin cartel, a really nasty piece of work. But here's the crazy part. They were already inside the network for 10 whole days. They used a tactic called double extortion. Basically, they steal your data and lock it up. And to really turn the screws, they went straight for the backups first. No escape route. With everything digital fried, they had to go old school. Pen, paper, even fax machines. When word got out, people panicked. Beer sales shot up 57% as everyone started stockpiling. So the hackers had them dead to rights. Why on earth didn't they just pay up? Well, the CEO basically said no way. He was confident in their backup data. Turns out Asahi had a secret weapon, a backup that ransomware couldn't crack. It's called an immutable backup. Think of it as a data copy that's set in stone. See, a standard backup can be hit, but an immutable one, it's a ransomware-proof fault. Now, this didn't stop the 15 billion yen loss from the disruption, but it was crucial. Because of it, Asahi recovered everything without giving the criminals a dime, a huge win. Which really makes you think, right? Is your data safety net actually safe? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.